two of the world's most elite touring coaches, head-to-head.
Welcome to Elite Origins, where engineering meets prestige.
Prevost draws from North American highway tradition, robust, enduring, engineered for vast distances.
Prevost commands presence with broad-shouldered stability and aerodynamic purity. Setra answers with graceful proportions and poised elegance.
Prevost delivers powerful LED clusters for long-haul visibility. Setra refines the expression with aerodynamic harmony and award-winning design. Both extend 45 feet, yet Prevost prioritizes planted confidence across continents, while Setra glides with agile grace.
Prevost concludes with functional strength. Setra departs with lines that linger in memory.
In scale, they dominate. Prevost rooted in expansive highways, Setra mastering varied landscapes.
Prevost harnesses the torque-rich Volvo D13 for relentless duty and improved efficiency. Setra
Prevost welcomes with practical accessibility and redesigned handrails. Setra invites through a generous portal of refined illumination. Prevost provides 77 inches of headroom and unobstructed views. Setra creates surprising expanse with flowing design.
Prevost offers durable comfort for up to 56 passengers on long journeys. Setra pampers with exceptional support for serene travel.
Prevost emphasizes practical space for endurance. Setra elevates comfort with superior recline and ergonomics.
Prevost maximizes natural light and views. Setra envelops passengers in sweeping glass and panoramic serenity. Prevost customizes mood with RGB options. Setra bathes the space in elegant, consistent light.
Prevost delivers 460 cubic feet of underfloor storage. Setra offers class-leading capacity for effortless journeys.
Prevost provides intuitive controls for the long haul. Setra crafts a desirable, refined environment.
Prevost enhances awareness with electronic mirrors. Setra integrates comprehensive visibility aids. Prevost absorbs with robust confidence. Setra responds with smooth, agile composure.
Prevost masters effortless long-distance cruising. Setra brings refined agility to every path.
Prevost quiets the journey significantly. Setra achieves library-like serenity.
Prevost maintains consistent comfort across conditions. Setra delivers even, refined temperature control.
Prevost supports enduring peace. Setra elevates every moment to tranquil luxury.
Prevost integrates reliable assistance. Setra advances with comprehensive safety innovation.
Prevost gains efficiency through aerodynamic redesign. Setra optimizes for economical premium travel.
Prevost thrives in demanding operations. Setra excels in versatile luxury touring.
Prevost commands darkness with clarity. Setra glows with poised confidence.
Prevost polishes strength. Setra sculpts every line with luxury.
Both inspire wonder on the open road.
Prevost opens the world with large glass. Setra adds sweeping sky above. Prevost offers customizable illumination. Setra creates calm consistency. Prevost provides vast practical capacity. Setra leads in class-leading volume. Prevost supports long-haul command. Setra refines the driving experience. Prevost delivers planted security. Setra offers precise control.
Both illuminate journeys with confidence.
Prevost halves wind noise. Setra preserves profound calm.
Prevost adapts to extremes. Setra maintains ideal harmony.
Prevost enables restful miles. Setra elevates tranquility.
Both guard the journey with modern vigilance.
Lefters. Prevost refines efficiency. Setra balances power and economy.
Prevost suits high-duty demands. Setra shines in exclusive travel.
Prevost pierces twilight. Setra radiates refinement. Prevost builds enduring detail. Setra crafts timeless beauty.
Light reveals their shared pursuit of serenity.
Prevost opens upward space. Setra invites the sky inside.
Prevost adapts atmosphere. Setra sustains elegance.
Prevost offers intuitive mastery. Setra provides refined command.
Prevost remains composed. Setra flows effortlessly.
Night highlights their quiet strength.
Prevost reduces intrusion. Setra preserves peace.
Prevost sustains comfort. Setra perfects balance.
Journeys become moments of rest.
Technology watches over every mile. Design serves efficiency and grace.
Each fulfills its calling.
Darkness accentuates presence.
Craftsmanship in every element. The world moves in quiet harmony.
Rest follows motion. Stability meets precision.
Silence becomes luxury.
Environment remains ideal.
Travel restores.
Vigilance without intrusion.
Power used wisely.
Purpose fulfilled.
Light leads forward.
Beauty in precision.
Roads inspire both.
Endurance and elegance converge.
Peace prevails.
Harmony endures. Moments extend.
Protection seamless. journey optimized. Adaptation perfected. Presence eternal. Excellence constant. World mirrors soul. Two paths to mastery.
Twilight brings reflection.
Balance remains.
Satisfaction deepens.
Chiar constant.
Economy elegant. Purpose pure. Darkness conquered. Refinement absolute. Horizons unite.
For vast endurance and timeless confidence, Prevost endures. For poise, versatility, and elevated serenity, Setra captivates.
Neither overshadows. Each masters its realm. Choice follows road and heritage. In motion's poetry, luxury finds truth. Two philosophies, one pursuit, exceptional travel.
Choose Prevost for relentless highways and practical luxury. Choose Setra for refined agility and award-winning calm.
The road decides, yet both elevate the soul.